Welcome back guys, myself Piyush Goyal, Company Secretary from Jaipur. In this video, we are going to discuss if you want to register as a corporate agent with the IRDAI. So how to register with the IRDAI as a corporate agent, right? What are the prerequisites and requirement for registering as a corporate agent with the IRDAI, right? What are the documentation required for filing the application for getting the license as a corporate agent from the IRDI, right? And additionally, we will also discuss what is the process of filing the application with the IRDAI, right? So first of all, we will understand what are the eligibility criteria for getting the license of corporate agent from the IRDI. The applicant should be any one of them. Applicant, if a company registered as per the Companies Act 2013, the company can become a corporate agent with the IRDI. And the limited liability partnership is also eligible for become a corporate agent. The cooperative society registered under the Cooperative Society Act is also eligible. The regional rural bank established under Section 3 of the Regional Rural Bank Act is also eligible, right? The applicant must have necessary infrastructure to roll out their activities, right? The applicant have adequately trained manpower, adequate office space, adequate equipment, right? And applicant entity principal officer should be graduate and should have completed at least 50% hours of training from the institution approved by the IRDA. In addition to that, fourth requirement, the applicant should not have violated any code of conduct mentioned in the regulations. Right? This is the eligibility requirement. Every applicant is required to be complied by the before applying as a corporate agent before the IRDAI. Right? The IRDAI has imposed a net worth requirement on the applicant who want to become a corporate agent with the IRDI. The net worth requirement must be 50 lakh prescribed, right? Thereafter we will discuss what are the documentation required for filing the application. The first document is required certificate of incorporation. Second is the proposed or existing branch details. Third is the principal officer details. Fourth is the director or partners details. Fifth is the organizational chart. Sixth is the net worth certificate, and seventh is the fit and proper criteria declaration. And thereafter, the applicant will deposit the application and make a payment of application fee, right? Thereafter, making the payment of application fees, the applicant will get the application fee receipt, right? And thereafter, we will discuss what is the process of applying the license for corporate agent with the IRDI. So first of all, the applicant will prepare the documentation which we have already discussed, right? Thereafter, the application will be filed by online mode, and the applicant fill all of the mandatory content given in the application form and pay the requisite application fees. Thereafter, complying the additional demands of IRDI. If after filing the application, the IRDI raise any query regarding the filing of application and document attached, right? Then the applicant will provide the additional information which is asked by the IRDI. Thereafter, the if the all the information given in the application and document attached is complete, right, as per the guidelines of the IRDI, the IRDI will issue a certificate of registration for the corporate agent. Thereafter, we will discuss what is the fee structure. The applicant firstly pay the fees of application fees of 10,000. Thereafter, registration fees will be paid by the 25,000. Right? This is the fees structure. Thereafter, we will discuss thereafter license validity. The license will be valid for 3 years from the date of issue. Right? The applicant will apply for renewal on or before expiry of the license. Right? This is the requirement which complied by the applicant while filing the application as a registration of corporate agent with IRDI. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any query, you can also connect on the number